Okay, so here's my Nomad58. I bought this off Kickstarter. This jacket, I waited for a long time for it because I bought it right at the beginning and then they had to produce it and all the things. And it's amazing. So we're gonna do a test and see. I'll do another video that talks about the features and all the cool stuff about it, and so you can see all the pockets. But for now, we're gonna see if we can fit all this stuff inside that jacket and have it not feel absolutely crazy. So I'm going to talk to you about what's in here, and then the other video will show you about what it looks like all packed inside. We'll do a couple so you can kind of get an idea. Okay, so if you're on an airplane, imagine you got your snacks. So you have something to eat. You probably could put more snacks in that. This is a cool little toothbrush thing. It has a toothbrush and a floss pick. It's disposable, pre-toothpasted, already ready to go. I've got some supplements that I love. Throat drops. These ones boost your immunity. These ones help with respiratory, so if you need to have a hard time breathing, and this will also help with all the germs floating around the airport. And then these ones help with nausea and stuff like that. So I get motion sick, and these help a ton, so I can like do roller coasters and airplanes and all the things, and I'm fine. Lotion. This is just a bigger bottle, littler bottle, so we're gonna test that. Little thing of Band-Aids. That's extra floss picks because I had them before I found the other things. Little soap packs. So these are little tiny thin sheets of soap, and you just use them, and so you can wash your hands if you are outside adventuring versus just on an airplane or wherever you are and you need soap. You got that. Extra garbage bag in case you want to pick up garbage while you're out adventuring. This is a baby umbrella. This is a little reusable bag that pops out of there. So these are some of my essential oils. You can trade out whatever you want. Obviously, this is just a few to give you an idea of size-wise. Deep Blue helps with muscles and joints as you're traveling and you need a little bit of relief there. Frankincense helps boost your mental capacities. So if you're feeling a little bit draggy or your brain's a little foggy, that's your friend. Adaptiv helps with other situations, and if your nervous system is going crazy or you need a little calmness, that's really great. This is Melaleuca and lavender. If you get a cut or a scrape or an abrasion of any kind, that will help the body heal faster. This is an OnGuard sanitizing mist. You got your passport, you got your wallet, you got your portable power bank, you got your ball. This is like a massage ball you can use to work out some stress after being gone a long time. AirPods, wired headphones for an airplane. This is a portable keyboard. This is a Kindle. This is my AirPods Max. This is a Remarkable, also amazing, love that. Then you've got earplugs if you just want silence. You got a giant water bottle. This is a foot hammock that can hang under your seat in the airplane. This is a tiny pillow, travel pillow. And then this is a travel eye mask. So you have all that, a journal or a notebook if you need to write something, a pen. So there's all the stuff. We are going to stick it in this jacket.